shucks. Thank you. I appreciate you, but thank you. So, remember the last video where I added some reverb and delay? Well, in this video, I'm going to master. Finally! And it's the easiest part yet. So, there ain't nothing to it, but to do it, so let's just do it. So first I'm adding a limiter to the total drums bus, and then I'm routing the kick, the percussion 1, percussion 2 or drums to that total drums bus. So the reason for this is that I want the kick to be the loudest part of the mix. It already is, but when the snare hits, the combination of the kick and the snare is louder than the kick itself. So that's why I'm cutting off the loudest part at the loudest part of the kick, if that makes sense. See what I'm doing? So I'm setting the threshold to the loudest part of the kick, and when the snare hits, it's louder than that loudest part of the kick, so it gets cut off. This is important for the mastering chain because I don't want the compressor to react to the combination of the kick and the snare. So now I'm adding all my master chain plugins through a preset. One of the luxuries of working completely in the box is that I don't have to correct mistakes in the mastering chain. If there is a mistake, I can just go into the mix and correct it. So my mastering chain is basically just to enhance the sound. And because I'm a set and forget kind of guy, I don't tinker with the plugins too much. 9 out of 10 times I usually make dance related songs, so I already know what plugins work best for me. So basically I only check if the input signal is not too loud, and that's it. And because of every step in the mix there are always low stereo frequencies sneaking through, I slap an imager at the stereo bus just to make sure that all the low frequencies that sneak through are still mono. And of course, we cannot forget the cleaning EQ. So with this limiter, I'm only raising the volume right up to the 0 decibels. I'm not limiting or cutting yet, just raising the volume. And now it's here, the part you all have been waiting for, creating loudness. So up to now I didn't do any clipping or limiting, so my sound is still very clean. And with this inflator I'm basically only going to take off the transients of the kick. Hold your horses, I made a mistake. I didn't stick to my perfect slope. It's very obvious when you look at the equalizer. So that's what I'm going to correct right now. And here you see the big benefit of working in the box. I can just go back in the mix, select all the tracks and turn down the volume. Don't forget to revisit the buses. We're already at -8.5 decibels LUFS, and look at how much dynamic range we still have. So here I am checking the maximum loudness of the bass, because I don't want to clip the bass, I only want to clip all the fast transients of the kick and the percussions. So in the end I managed to get a loudness of -7.4 decibels, and that's only with clipping the transients. So the rest of my song is still clean without any distortion, except for the harmonic distortion from the plugins, of course. Ain't it great? I'm finally done. I'm going to let my ears rest for a little while, and when I get back, maybe I'm going to tweak it a little bit. But it already sounds finished. If you like the song, you can download it everywhere, or you can add it to your playlist. And if not, I hope to see you in the next The Making Of video. Peace out!
Here comes the drop.